Itu pun nenu frog kana wan. Ari dok. Itu pun nenu frog kana wan. Ari dok. Abasi bayong. Itu pun nenu frog kana wan. Ari dok.
No.
You are welcome, my daughter. Go and remove your shoe. This is an holy ground. My daughter, sit down.
Baba, no be sit like this. So, you think we bring me come here, no be joke, Baba.
My daughter.
Baba, I need your help.
What do you want me to do for you?
Baba, now now they do. So if I don't do not finish like that, I know they remember my collect my money. So I want me to do for me, Baba.
Hey, you go to for organ. I want My daughter, you are in the right place. I am the cuckoo, the eyes of the gods. I can do and undo. I can seal and unseal. My daughter,
Baba,
you need spiritual cleansing. My daughter, follow me.
There is God.
Baba, no shit. Give my level, my home. I go now, Baba.
You think they wise?
What do you mean by level? Which money?
My service now. She I don't do that for you. Maybe give my service now.
God have mercy upon us.
So all those people where you they collect, where they carry you, where you know they remember collect money. So now my own now one they remember they get money, but I don't have to do cleansing. One day 4 months. Leave my shrine.